enumerate the list of fundamental duties as provided in the Constitution. What is the rationale of incorporation of fundamental duties? Now, again, two parts. Enumerate does not mean that you have to mug up all them. With simply say Part 4A of the Constitution provides for Article 51A. These are the different aspects of, these are the fundamental duties cast upon all citizens. कौन सी है? जितनी लिख सकते हो लिख लो, ठीक? ये वैसे भी 150 वर्ड का है, दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ठीक? सो यू हैव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट में देखो, व्हाट इज द रैशनल, व्हाई इट वाज इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. Start your answer with this. This is the second part. Start with this. Part 4A was incorporated by 42nd Amendment to cast upon the citizens certain fundamental duties in consonance with fundamental rights and DPSPs. Mostly fundamental rights because they are the rights given to the citizens. Now, even if you don't mention DPSP, fine, fundamental rights. Why? Constitution, next sentence. Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. When it provides for certain rights, there have to be corresponding duties. Then they are unenforceable, whereas rights are enforceable. ठीक? अब बताइए इस पे क्या है? Rational is this कि law provides for rights and duties. There cannot be a right without a duty. To fill that gap, 42nd Amendment created this part. ठीक? चलो.